بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Hazrat Isab Radiatwala,
Do not follow the footstep of Satan.
one of the leading speakers of Islamic
He does
Research
not
Foundation,
misguide a person immediately. He lays traps.
1,35,000 crores is the rupees that the Indians have taken loan to buy a dream house.
And a good person, maybe a Hindu or a Muslim, if he falls into a bad company, then he is harmful for the society as well. He causes damage to the society. Imagine when the Quran was revealed, along with the Tawheed, before the Salah was first, it was charity which Allah encouraged the Muslims to do. And we know that when we do charity, there are a lot of calamities that are going to fall upon us, are being driven away by Allah Almighty. That on an average American or a Westerner is not against Islam. It is the media, section of media that is against Islam. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli.
ملك الملك الغفار الوهاب المنان المتعال.